welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can downsize any oversized skirt that you own in under 5 minutes using this really simple and quick technique. This technique is very quick and simple to do, and you won't actually need a lot of things. You're going to need a total of 3 things. Let's head into the video. So these are the 2 clasps that you're going to need for this technique, and then also you're just going to use some matching thread to whatever skirt you're going to be sewing these onto. For this video I'm going to be downsizing this skirt that I thrifted a couple years ago, which I just never got around to downsizing. So I'm going to put it on so you can kind of get a better idea of how it looks like when I put it on. As you can see, quite a lot of it needs to be downsized. So this is the skirt when I put it on, and I have it around where my waist is, and this is how high I want my skirt to sit. What I'm going to do is, first of all, you want to make sure that the back of the tag for the skirt, especially if you have one like this that has elastic in it, so there's no zipper or anything, so you want to find where the back of the tag is and make sure that that's sitting in the right place. And then once you have that figured out, you want to figure out where you want the waistline to sit. So I want it to sit hitting just slightly above my belly button. So this is how high I want my skirt to sit naturally. And then from here, what you want to do is grab your skirt and tug it to the side. And this is depending on if you have elastic or not. So if you don't have elastic, you don't want to tug too hard. But this skirt has elastic, so I'm tugging quite a lot. And then from there, what you want to do is first grab with your fingers and sort of pinch the fabric where you want it to sit. So this is around how tight I want the skirt to sit. And then from here, I'm going to grab my pencil, and this is a fabric marking pencil, so it rubs off in water. If you don't have this, then you can use a texter or just a pen, because you will be marking on the inside, so no one's going to see anyway. And then in here, just want to make a little mark where you want to add the first bobble pins. Okay, so these are the first clasps that I'm going to be sewing on, and I'm going to be adding these straight where I made my markings. I have the skirt on again, and now just with the remaining fabric, what I'm going to do is just pull that to the front, and then with my pen again, I'm just going to make a marking on where I'm going to add the second clasp. So I'm going to add it around here, and then also on the fabric that you're going to be pulling over, you want to add another clasp on there. So I'm just going to add a little mark. I finished sewing on the clasps, and the skirt is actually all done now, but what I'm going to do is just very quickly take a button and add it to the front, just so it has a little bit of something, sort of spice up the skirt a little bit and it doesn't look as plain. This is completely optional, you don't have to do this yourself, you can leave it as is. It looks just as good, but that's completely out of frame. So it looks just as good when you put it on, but I kind of like it with the button more. So I'm just going to quickly sew that on, and then I'm going to show you how the finished skirt looks like.